Hello kids, how are you all? I know you all are doing good, you all are enjoying yourselves, you all are enjoying your studies. Well, today I have come with a very interesting story for you all. But before beginning with the story, I wanted to ask you a question. Has it ever happened with you all that you wished for something, and when that wish was granted, you felt that that was not for your own good? I know it is difficult to think, isn't it? But I would like to share one of my experience. Yes, one incident which happened with me. You know, when I was a child, I used to think that I want a lot of candies, sweets, chocolates. Yes, and I used to wish for it. But what happened one day? One day, my parents got me a lot of sweets, candies and chocolates, and I was very happy. My parents also told me not to eat alone. Share it with your friends, with your siblings, with your cousins, with everyone. But I became very greedy. Do you know the meaning of greedy? Greedy means when you want something more and more and more. In spite of having it with you, you want to have more. So I became very greedy. I wanted to eat all alone. And then what I did, I started eating all my candies, sweets all alone without sharing with anyone. You know then what happened? That very next day I got toothache. Oh my god, I got a terrible toothache. My stomach started paining. I got stomachache also. And then I cried and I wished, oh no, I did not want such a wish. Yes, this happened with me. So, why am I sharing my experience, my incident with you all? Because the next chapter, chapter 4 of your new enrichment reader book is somewhat similar. The name of the chapter is A Greedy Rich Man. So do you want to hear that story? Okay children, so let's hear the story and understand it.
Chapter 4, A Greedy Rich Man. In this story, there is a rich man who has lot of wealth, but he keeps on wishing for more and more. So let us start with A Greedy Rich Man. This is the story of a very rich man. Even though he was rich, he always wanted more money and more wealth. Now children, what is the meaning of wealth? Wealth means riches. Okay? Wealth means riches. So riches means wealth, wealth means riches. So this man had lot of wealth, but still he wanted more. He was greedy and his riches never seemed enough. He was so greedy that whatever he had, it never seemed enough for him. He wanted more. One day, he was walking through his apple orchard. Now what is orchard, children? Orchard means garden. So one day when he was walking through his apple orchard, his garden, apple garden, checking the harvest. Harvest, children, harvest means crop. Okay, how many apples have grown in his garden? He was checking that and he was counting the money he would make. So he was counting, oh, so many apples, oh, how much money I'm going to make. Then suddenly in the shade of a tree, he saw a strange looking creature. It was a fairy. The fairy was caught in a few branches. What is the meaning of caught? Caught means stuck. He saw a strange looking creature and it was a fairy. The fairy was caught in few branches. She was stuck in a few branches. Realizing he had a fantastic opportunity to become rich, he asked the fairy for a wish in return for its freedom. Now children, what is the meaning of realizing? Realizing means understanding. Fantastic means wonderful and opportunity means chance. So understanding that he had a wonderful chance to become rich, he asked the fairy that, fairy, I'll set you free only if you grant me my He said, if I save you, you must grant me the power to turn all that I touch into gold. Now what did he ask? He said that if I save you, you have to grant me the power to turn whatever he touches should turn into gold. Now this is what he wanted. The fairy was tired of being stuck in the branches. She was so tired, stuck in the branches, that she readily agreed. Okay, I will grant your wish. The greedy man rushed home to tell his wife and daughter about this new gift that he got. He could not hold back his excitement when the stones and pebbles he touched as he ran home turned into gold. It was amazing. Children, what is the meaning of pebbles? Pebbles means small stones. Okay, so he could not hold back his excitement when the stones and the small stones, the pebbles that he touched, turned into gold. Hearing his shouting and laughing, his wife and daughter rushed out of their room to see what was happening. When they heard him shouting and laughing, they were curious to know what happened, and they rushed out of their room to see what was happening. His daughter ran to him excitedly, laughing out loud, seeing her father's joy. As soon as he bent down and scooped her up in his arms, she turned into a gold statue. Now children, whenever your dad returns home from office, you also do this, isn't it? You go running and you hug your father. So similarly, this girl also did the same thing. And as he scooped, what is the meaning of scooped? Picked. Okay. As he picked her up in his arms, she turned into a gold statue. The rich man cried, his wife cried, but their daughter did not move or respond. She was now a gold statue. Children, what is the meaning of respond? To answer. Okay, the rich man was crying, his wife was crying, but the daughter was not moving. She was not responding because she had turned into a gold statue. Can you see here in this image how this little girl has turned into gold statue because her father touched her, isn't it? The rich greedy man realized his folly. He understood that he should not be greedy and should in fact help others too. Now what is the meaning of realized? I already told you, realized means understood. Okay, and what is the meaning of folly? Folly means mistake. So the rich greedy man now understood his mistake. He understood that he should not be greedy and he should in fact help others too. He went to search for the fairy who had granted him this wish. After a few days, he found her in a nearby forest. Now he didn't know where the fairy had disappeared. So he went to search out for the fairy, and then after a few days, he found her in a nearby forest. He requested the fairy to take back this gift so that his daughter could return to her original form. He promised to be a good man. So children, he requested the fairy to take back the gift because he wanted his daughter not as a gold statue, but he wanted his daughter to be the way she was in her original form. And he promised the fairy that he will be a good man. Seeing that the man was truly sorry, the fairy took back the gift. The man ran back to his house and saw all the pebbles that had turned to gold were back to normal. Now when he was on his way back, he was very happy because he was seeing that the pebbles, the stones that had turned into gold were again into its normal form. He entered his house and his daughter was waiting for him. He hugged her tightly. The man was never greedy again and shared his riches with everyone. Now children, can you see how this man changed? He now became a good man. He was never greedy again and he learned to share his riches with everyone. So children, can you tell me the moral of the story? The moral of this story is we should always be happy with what we have and we should not be greedy.
So children, while going through the chapter, we came across some difficult words. Let us know the meaning of those difficult words. The first word is wealth. What is the meaning of the word wealth? Wealth means riches. Your diamond, gold, silver, money, all come under wealth. Greedy. The rich man was very greedy. In spite of having lot of money and wealth, he wanted to have more. So what is the meaning of greedy? Greedy means to want or desire to have something more. Third word, orchard. The rich man had an apple orchard. So orchard is apple garden. So any fruit garden is called orchard. Opportunity. Yes, the greedy rich man got the opportunity to fulfill his wish. So what is the meaning of opportunity? Opportunity means he got the chance to fulfill his wish. Excitedly. Excitedly means happily. Creature. Yes, what is the meaning of the word creature? Creature can be any person or animal. It can be your imaginary creature also. Scooped. The rich man scooped his daughter in his arms. He picked up his daughter. Scooped means picked up. Now your eighth word is statue. Yes, the daughter turned into a gold statue, isn't it? Folly. What is the meaning of folly? Folly means a mistake. The rich man realized his mistake. He realized his folly. Granted. And what is the meaning of the word granted? Granted means to allow. To allow something. Yes, the fairy granted the rich man his wish. See, she allowed rich man his wish. So children, these were the difficult words. I hope you all have understood the chapter. You all loved listening to the story and you have learned from the story also, isn't it? So now you all are supposed to read this chapter thoroughly. Will you do it? Bye bye.